going over some more of the ideas for the Halloween toilet paper jewelry. This is a brown one. I know the lighting isn't easy to see, but this was the black one, and this is the brown one. And you can also take the toilet paper jewelry and put it in flowers. Well, let me pick that up. Okay, so you can also take it and put it inside flowers. So that would be a cute way of taking the toilet paper jewelry and put it inside of a flower so that when people pass it, they think it's just a flower, but when they look inside, you could decorate it with different things. It's like toilet paper jewelry, or you could decorate it with different colors to make it scary. But this really isn't that scary. This is just, if from the outside, it just looks like a regular rose, but then when you look inside, you have the toilet paper gem. Okay, then you can do like a gift bag with other toilet paper jewelry that you make. So I'm going to show you some other ones that you can make to give away. So you could make these with different sizes, different shapes to give away, and put it in a little gift bag. So these are cute. And it takes time, it takes time to make these, but once you've made a few, you don't have to decorate it immediately. You can wait to decorate it. And let me just get this candle behind me and show you how it looks with the right lighting. Because once you make it, so you can make it early and then leave it until before you need it to figure out what you're going to wear with it. And this way you have it already made, but you just decorate it when it's closer to when you need it. So these are just some ideas for just toilet paper gems. Thanks for watching.